How to fix Windows cannot connect to this network error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Windows cannot connect to this network error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you will need to take is run a few set of commands in command prompt. These are the commands right here. So let us open up our command prompt and make sure that you run it as an administrator. Tap on it, give it permission, and there we go. Now what you'll need to do is simply run this command. Now type in netsh windshock reset. So let's do that, netsh windshock reset. Now hit enter. As you can see, now you have just reset your windshock catalog. After you've done that, you will again need to run the second command. So let's do that. Type in netsh, type in intip reset and reset.log. Now after doing that, your log will get reset, and the final command is ipconfig/flush DNS. Hit enter, and now your DNS resolver cache has been cleared. After doing that, restart your Windows device, and after you do that, your network should get connected just fine. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye, take care.